Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we are focusing on one of the most important and often underestimated requirements for Korean medical device companies looking to enter the Brazilian market. While many manufacturers are prepared for the ANVISA registration process, a critical certification for specific types of devices can create significant delays and costs if not planned for properly. We are talking about the INMETRO certification for electromedical devices. So, what is it? Any electromedical device subject to the IEC 6601 series requires a specific, mandatory certification from Brazil's National Institute of Metrology, Quality and Technology, known as INMETRO. This is a separate process from the main ANVISA registration and is an absolute prerequisite for market entry for these products. The core challenge here, especially for Korean companies, lies in the testing requirements. Many manufacturers are accustomed to the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, or MFDS, accepting international test reports, such as those from the IEC EECB scheme. This greatly simplifies the process for multiple markets. However, for Brazil's INMETRO certification, this is not the case. The process mandates local testing and compliance verification at a laboratory inside Brazil. This single requirement for in-country testing introduces a substantial timeline consideration. The entire process, from submitting the device for testing to receiving a final certification, can take anywhere from 3 to 12 months. This is a significant period that must be built into any market launch plan. Attempting to run this process in parallel with ANVISA submission without understanding the potential delays can jeopardize your entire entry strategy. Furthermore, INMETRO certification is not a one-time event. To maintain the certification, manufacturers are subject to regular surveillance audits of their manufacturing facilities. These audits, coupled with the initial certification fees, represent ongoing costs that must be properly budgeted for. For Korean companies with innovative electronic medical devices, failing to account for the time and financial resources required for INMETRO certification is one of the biggest barriers to successfully entering the vibrant Brazilian healthcare market. If your company needs help navigating the complexities of INMETRO certification, ANVISA registration, or market access in over 30 other countries, please check out Pure Global. We specialize in creating streamlined regulatory strategies. Also, be sure to check the description for this episode to find links to our free AI tools and our comprehensive regulatory database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.